TP-Link is the most popular networking brand, and recently they launched their new router. I already make video about their new router, which is single band and 2.4 GHz with dual antenna. You can check by clicking I buttons. But today I'm going to talk about TP-Link's another new router, which is dual band with 4 antenna. This model is ARCHER C24. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So this is TP-Link SGL packaging with, as you can see, router AC750 with model number ARCHER C4, and main feature has dual band with superior coverage and also some different mode, and it also supported IPTV. So here is the about mobile apps, and here's how to set up options. So in this site some informations about this router. So let's unbox it. So let's unbox with my little knife. So first of all, I cut this wallpaper from here and just open from side. As you can see, everything here. And first of all, power adapter, same as UK standard. Then main device, router itself, we'll talk later. Then quick installation guide, I think we don't need because same installation system. Then Ethernet cable and nothing here. So let's talk about the main device router. So I open plastics. As you can see, it has 4 antenna for better coverage. So I think it covers a 3-bedroom apartment. As you can see in back side, here's the power input and 1 WIN port and 4 LAN ports, so you can connect at a time 4 computer. And here's the WPS come reset buttons. If you just press, then work as a WPS, and if you long press, then reset the router. And in this front side, as you can see, here's the 5 lead indicator, one for 2.4 and another for 5 GHz. So another one for LAN indicator, and last one is for internet connection. So this router design is very minimalistic and box type and very simple. As you can see here, top TP-Link branding, and in this bottom some default SSID and password and everything. And here's the mounting port, so you can mount on your wall or you can take a table. So it's similar to this model, but just difference is it is dual band and it is single band. So I already said it's dual band, and it support in 2.4 GHz up to 300 megabit per second speed. So when you use 5 GHz, you can use up to 433 megabit per second. So which is for IPTV. You can stream 4K resolutions, video, games, everything. So it has 4 antenna, so it covers your whole flat, almost 3 beds. So you can connect at a time 16 devices at same time. It also works as a router mode primarily, then access point mode, and also RANs extender. You can use a RANs extender. So it is setup process also very easy. It has also mobile apps. You can easily set up by TP-Link Theater apps. So in India, it's priced almost around 1900. In also Bangladesh, also 1900. I bought from market. TP-Link not sponsored me. If you want to buy, I will put product link in descriptions, so you can check. So let's set up it. Right now I'm set up this. For set up this router, first of all, connect this Ethernet cable from WIN port, then power off. After power off, as you can see, all lead lighting up. You need to wait few minutes for light all. As you can see, it's Wi-Fi signal on both 2.4G and 5 GHz. Then as you can see, this is lighting yellow, so it records setup. Then I'm going to open my Theta app. Then as you can see, I'm disconnected from my old router. So first of all, I need to connect this router Wi-Fi. As you can see, TP-Link F3 and password given here. They provide password and SSID here. then connect. As you can see, Wi-Fi connected. Then open theater apps. So it's finding router. As you can see, this theater apps detect my router ARCHER C24. Then click and create a admin password. Then create and select your desired options. So my ISP provide static IP, so I select static IP. It depend on your internet provider, so I select static IP. Then next, so it required IP address and subnet mask, so I'm giving my IP address. So I complete giving IP address, then click the next and give a SSID, your Wi-Fi name. So I am giving my name, then give Wi-Fi password, then click the next. 5 gigahertz password also same. You can change your 5 gigahertz network password, but I take same. Then next and confirm and to apply. So everything confirm, just apply. As you can see, it's shutting up. As you can see, it changed to blue, so it take few times. So as you can see, it's finished setup. So then I need to connect Wi-Fi again because everything changed. As you can see, my Wi-Fi name, then crash, giving my password, then connect. As you can see, connected. Actually this mobile not supporting 5 gigahertz network, so that's why here not showing 5 gigahertz network. If your mobile support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, then 5 gigahertz also. So as you can see, my laptop support 5 gigahertz network, that's why showing 2 SSID at the same name and 5G. So I'm going to connect 5 gigahertz network. So I'm connected to the 5 gigahertz network. Then I'm doing a speed test. Start. Speed is almost 94 megabyte and ping is 3 only. Then upload speed also. Test done, so you can understand how fast it is. I'm going to open theater apps again. As you can see, network status connected, so I already have 2 clients. So yeah, setup done, and I will show you browsing internet. I open YouTube and searching my, as you can see. So yeah, set completed.
Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and today this video I'm going to
so pretty much that's all about today. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next.